Hey, this is Justin, the Flipping Accountant, and today I'm going to show you how to find your history list of items in the Amazon Seller app. If you find this information useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's jump right into it. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the Amazon Seller app right here, and then I'm going to click on the very first button that says Add a Product. I'm going to click on that, and then this pulls up the Add a Product screen, and then what we're looking for is the History button, which is a couple buttons down. It's right in the middle. I'm going to go ahead and click on History, and then this shows the history of all of the items that you've looked at recently, and the most recent item you've looked at will be at the very top. So starting in that order, so as you can see, the most recent thing I looked at was a Pokemon, Xbox One X, Star Wars, Legos, and as you scroll down, you can see other products. And from this screen, you can either open up the listing by tapping on the listing, go ahead and click back, or you can add them to your favorites or remove them from your favorites by clicking the blue star right there to the left. So as you can see, if I click on it, it takes it off, and I click on it, it puts it right back on. So there is no way to remove stuff from your history that I'm aware of. So just so you know, if you're looking for something and you're like, oh no, I forgot what it was, or I don't remember the model number or whatever, if you go to your history, if you did open the listing, it'll be right there. So that's going to be it for today. If you found this video useful, please drop a like. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.